Kisese cha Mutongoi TV nicho Kisindie Kikombe cha Kisese Kiseo cha Kūtangaasa na Kithyomo vandi ya Kenya kana Vernacular Station TV of the Year Nthini wa Mīthīnzīo ya Jamhuri Kenya Awards letwa Utukuni wa Kuamukia Umunthi. Mutongoi TV ikwatie Muthinzio kwa kwithiwa inengai musiaisya ilungunzio mauvo mautano vamwe na mautao alama ilite.
Vernacular TV Station of the Year, Mutongoi TV.
Mutongoi TV. Makofi kwake, makofi kwake. Mutongoi TV ni mwekanesa.
Today we are very much delighted actually to be hosted here at the Jamhuri Awards. Any award ito ya Kili kwa mwaka umwe that we have been able to scoop in the meaning of tuna good content and we are the best vernacular TV station in the Lower Eastern region and generally in Kenya. Na we want to thank you for the support you have given us. Tonight a lot of competition from the nomination. Then finally we did it. Now we are happy. We are happy. Na Kikombe ki certificate this year simply because presenters might nominated na Masinda, also our reporters especially from the Kithi region no manage onake kukwata Kikombe ki na nikwatia with your support we're going to go far and expect more from us. Thank you and thank you very much.